Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are back on the island, La Isla of Condado de Alhama, and we are actually in a top floor penthouse apartment with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, overlooking the lake, the community pool and the community gardens. We are today on La Isla, the island, on a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today I'm showing you a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the island, La Isla of Condado de Alhama. And I'm just turning around, you've just seen the views, now we're turning around now into the living room. As every Thursday afternoon, it's a little bit windy today, but I will try to work around this slight issue, and I'm showing you now the living room, kitchen area of this 2-bed, 1-bath apartment presented to you in a virtual open house by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Where are we? We are on the island La Isla at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the region of Murcia. And I'm showing you today a penthouse apartment with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, the island La Isla. I'm just walking around now and show you the views of the lateral terrace. This property boasts of 2 main terraces, which is the lateral terrace, which gets the morning sun. And on the other side, when we walk on further, we do see the terrace for the afternoon sun. Might be a little bit windy, so the tone might slightly distorted. There we go. Here we go. And we walk again into the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom, well-appointed apartment, which is sold as seen, with all the fittings, furnishings, including television, including all kitchen appliances, including all furniture, for the modest price of €109,000, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm just strolling through the apartment and I'm showing you now the master bedroom. Here we go with the master bedroom. All bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, as well as air conditioning, hot and cold inverter technology, which is quite economic to run. This is the master bedroom with its terrace, which is looking out to the community gardens, the lake. That's the reason why it's called the island, because the island is surrounded by a water feature, which is called the lake. And here we go with the community pool in the center of the screen. And you can also see the nice outside furniture, which also comes included in the price of €109,000. You find more details of this property and many more on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. The reference for this specific apartment is 3352. There we go. We are just passing through the master bedroom. To the left-hand side, we do have the bathroom. As always, we do see the agent. I'm Rupert. Hi. And this is our bathroom, with bathtub, wash basin, and all necessary installations. Forgot the towel heater, which is electric. There we go. As well, we have the second bedroom, also fitted and kitted and fully furnished, as well equipped with fitted wardrobes, as well as air conditioning. You might ask, well, what's in the fitted wardrobes? Are they ready to move in? Yes, they are. Here we go. It's already with a chest of drawers and a top shelf for storage, which is actually storing the duvets. There we go. As well, air condition in the second bedroom, hot and cold inverter technology. And we go through the hallway back into the living room, which is quite ample and spacious. As we said, the property is sold as seen. Reference number 3352 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are based on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, so actually about 300 meters from here you can find our offices, where we provide all services related to real estate on the complex, means short-term rentals, long-term rentals, and all kinds of services you need for your property. I'm just walking out of the property here, and I show you now the view from the entrance or the backside of the apartment, where we do see as well another community pool and the views overlooking towards the lemon groves, orange groves, down to the Sierra. Isn't this beautiful? In case of any question, please just drop us a note at the bottom of the screen, and either me or my team will answer your question during the viewing. In case you want me to view anything specific again, just tell me, drop me a line, and I will do my best to show the item you want to see. So this is now the back end, well, the entrance situation of this property. As we said, we are in a top floor penthouse apartment on the island, La Isla, at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Where is Condado de Alhama? Well, actually, we are about 20 minutes away from the beach. We are about 35 minutes away from Corvera International Airport and about an hour away from Alicante International Airport. We are based on the region of Murcia on the so-called Costa Cálida, the warm coast. There we go. I'll show you again the view from the lateral terrace. As we said, this property is on the market for just 109,000 euros. In case you don't want to stretch your budget that far, we would have another property just close to here, which is down there. I hope you can see it. There's another sailboard of ours. I can see it. There we go. To make sure that this is as well available for you, is a two-bed apartment at the modest price of 75,000. But here, with the special arrangement of the two-bed, one-bathroom with the lateral terrace. Oops. It's quite windy today, so sorry, I have to go back in again because I think nobody can hear me. There we go. We are back into the property of a two-bed, one-bath, top-floor penthouse apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, brought to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. It's reference number 3352, and the asking price is 109,000, open to reasonable offers. We just walk again through the hall and come to the master bedroom. The property is sold as seen, with all furniture included, as well as air conditioning and TV and all other white goods. Here we go, the air conditioning, fitted wardrobes. I think it's quite a nice place, either as residence or just for an extended holiday stay. The views are just breathtaking. Has to do with the fact that La Isla is surrounded by a water feature, which has its technical reason as it's also the water deposit for the irrigation for the resort and the golf courses, which means it's guaranteed there will be always water in there, and that's, I think, a nice asset. Community fees for this property are only 130 euros, including internet with a 100 megabit down and upload line, and the use of all TV channels which are in our system, and actually over 350 international TV channels, including Norwegian, Swedish, Dutch, Belgian, French, German, and obviously most important, UK channels. Just walking through the property, let's have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen comes fitted as we see, with dishwasher, microwave, oven hob extractor fan, as well as fridge freezer. And it's very nicely and openly designed, so you always have a view also on your guests in case you think so. There we go. This is the living room. Again, here we go with the dining area. So the property is really set up nicely and equipped to quite a high standard, so there is hardly any additional investment necessary. You might wonder what happened to the table out here, because there is a table. Well, actually, during taking pictures, we had quite an experience with heavy winds, and so we have broken the glass table, but we promise that the glass will be back once you purchase the property. We just ordered the security glass again, and it should arrive within 2 weeks' time. So from the lateral terrace, we now walk again towards the main terrace. It might be a little bit windy now, so I hope that's okay with you. Well, back in a second. I just wanted to show you the views from up here, because I think it's just breathtaking. There we go. In front you do see the community pool, development and catering for 11 apartment blocks, so I think there is enough space in the pool. So far there were no complaints. As we said, we're in a virtual open house today at La Isla at Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in Block 11 on a top floor corner apartment which has a big lateral terrace, barbecue built in, as well as outside storage. And let's open the storage cupboard to see what's in there. There we go. There is the washing machine and the electric water heater, which is connected as well to a solar power system. So normally during summertime you will hardly use electricity for the hot water, because this is provided by the solar power panels which are placed on the rooftop of this apartment building. We're making a turn again, walking through the lateral door, passing the dining area, coming into the living room again. As we said, on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you will find all details of this reference 3352. All our properties are as well shown with a virtual tour. So in case you have more interest in this or any other property, please use our virtual tours, who will give you a very good insight into the property, its qualities, and all the details you might be looking for. We are on a virtual open house today, provided to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com, and I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bath apartment and an agent as well on La Isla, and we are just here in the bathroom. There we go. Coming into the master bedroom. As we said, the property is sold as seen, with all furnishing, all equipment, TVs, kitchen appliances, air conditioning, fitted wardrobes, you name it, we have it, for the modest price of €109,000. Reasonable offers accepted. As well, the property is provided with awnings, because it can be sometimes quite sunny out here, so I think that's a good way as well to keep the sun out in case you're looking for some more shade. That's the way to do it. The property is fitted with air conditioning, hot and cold converter technology, and with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. I'm just strolling through the property now to the 2nd bedroom, which we can see here, which is as well fitted with obviously 2 beds, but as well with air conditioning and fitted wardrobes, which are also fitted already with a chest of drawers. On our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you find the property under the reference 3352. It's asking only €109,000 and is open for reasonable offers. We have a similar apartment without the lateral terrace available in the following block at €75,000, where you also have the similar qualities as here. Maybe the lateral terrace is not there, pretty convinced it's not there, and it's also on the top floor, also providing quite some nice features and aspects. Asking only €75,000. Here we go again with the lateral terrace. This was the storage cupboard with the built-in barbecue. As we have said, we will obviously replace the glass for the table, so it will be a complete table again. And we walk into the property again through the side door, passing the dining table. Just let me show you the kitchen again. Here we go, fully fitted and kitted with dishwasher, with microwave, oven hob extractor fan, and fridge freezer, as well as all necessary items. Let me see, like cutlery, as well as all kind of china, glasses, you name it, we have it. There we go. So, welcome to all the new viewers now to our virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are based as well on the resort on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are registered by the Regional Chamber of Estate Agents, API. And we are happy to show you today this beautiful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. For more details, you find all our details of this property under the reference 3352 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. In case you like our shows, it's every Thursday, 5 o'clock European time, 4 o'clock in the Canaries and in the UK. These are the views now from the lateral terrace again. And here comes Anna again. Hello! Now with the mask. Good afternoon. I think we can take the mask off and maybe walk in a little bit because it's still windy out here, no?
Indeed. I ordered the wind for you today specifically.
Tricky.
I've been out all week doing viewings, roasting in the sun, and now comes Thursday afternoon and somebody turned the wind on, so...
Exactly. It has to happen on Thursday afternoon.
It has to happen. But that's also good to know because it means no matter how hot it is, on Thursday we will get a refreshment. So.
Exactly. So always look on the bright side of life.
I found your sunglasses, Rupert.
I think we shouldn't sing here, no?
No.
Happy days.
So since we've been on Isla quite a lot lately.
Yeah. It's too windy out there, sorry. Yeah, we can't do the outside shot because it's too windy. I'm sorry, I tried. So, today we have seen this beautiful apartment. Congratulations to the owner, because I think it's really a top-notch space.
Congrats also to the person who did the home staging, I have to say. Gemma, thank you very, very much. Well done.
One thing I forgot to mention is that all what we see is brand new. This has been never used. The owner of this apartment has furnished it and never used it. We opened it some 3 weeks ago and it's all brand new, never used. There are no signs of any usage or anything in this apartment.
The bedding was brand new in the wrapping still. It
is
really amazing. It's like a new build.
Even the duvets are still in the plastic.
Are still in their original wrapping. It really is.
This is really a top-notch equipment, I have to say, which we hardly find because normally there are certain signs of wear and tear, which is normal after many years, but this property has never been used. So also the mattresses, you name it, we have it. It's all brand new without ever being used. It's amazing. I really like this place. Yeah, it would be a nice residence here as well.
Very much so.
So, what do we do next week after seeing this? And the views as well are breathtaking, no? This looks like First Line Beach. No?
I always feel like I'm on a cruise ship when I'm standing here looking out at this lake, really. Block 11, really, for me personally, Block 11 has the most amazing views.
No doubt.
On the entire island, but...
No doubt.
But that's up to everyone to judge.
Exactly.
So, next week, I was thinking, since we haven't shown a proper top floor penthouse and since it's been a while that the golf course was open, I think next week it would be time to show you the latest penthouse that we've listed on the golf course in the front line of the Jack Nicklaus golf course, which is opening again next week. So
so this means we might even see some golfers back on the golf course.
I'm hoping so. We might see a little bit of evolution, yes, because this summer is obviously a little bit quiet.
Yes.
Which is also nice. So yeah, next week tune in for a very nice, beautiful corner penthouse in Block 8, overlooking the Jack Nicklaus signature.
Happy days.
In Condado,
Okay. So looking forward to that. I cannot avoid to show you another time these fantastic views here, because I think it's really breathtaking. And for the modest price of 109,000 euros, you really do get a decent holiday home or even residence to enjoy all year through. Also due to the orientation, as we are southwest facing, due to the views, due to the setup here, it's really amazing. So I'm looking forward to see you again next week, Thursday, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the Canaries and the UK. And I wish you a nice week and stay safe, take care. Regards from qualityhomescostacalida.com. Ciao.